This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the wheel diagonally opposite to the wheel being removed. Open the tailgate and remove the luggage compartment floor panel. Lift the toolkit lid, remove the jack, then unscrew the retainer. Lift out the toolkit, followed by the spare wheel. Remove the wheel centre cap using the tool provided. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Engage the jack head with the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then rotate the handle clockwise and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Locate the spare wheel over the hub and align the bolt holes. Insert and lightly tighten the wheel bolts. Rotate the handle anti-clockwise and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts securely. Stow the punctured wheel and toolkit in the luggage compartment and secure them with the retainer. Refit the tools. Refit the luggage compartment floor panel. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.